that's on the phone right here.
Oh, right there?
Straight here, curly here.
Okay.
That's him right there.
Okay.
So we're trying to get him out of here, but he's like he's trying to bring him around.
Okay. Hey, what's up? How you doing, ladies? Sir, come on. Let me talk to you. What? Let me talk to you. Come outside. Let's talk to you.
Now the police are. Yes, swear to God. Come, get off your plane. Just get off the plane and come.
Come on, pay for your drink and we need to talk.
I didn't even get one yet.
That's yours, right?
Yeah, but I didn't sip on it yet.
I said pay for it.
Well, why would I pay for it?
Okay, come on. Okay, come on.
I didn't bring it up.
Okay, okay. Okay, come on, sir. Sir, come on. Let me talk to you. Just get your belongings.
Yeah.
What's up, ladies? How y'all doing?
Thank you, guys.
All right. What happened, sir?
Of what?
Okay. All right, come on. Let's take you. They rebooked you. They said already. Come on. Come on.
To go where?
Off the concourse. They rebooked you already. Okay? The profanity, the yelling, the screaming,
What
all
profanity?
that. All that's uncalled for.
I didn't know any profanity.
Okay. Okay, right here. Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Fuck.
Right.
All right, cool.
Take you to the hotel shuttle so you don't get in no trouble.
Oh, I'm not staying at that shitty hotel.
Dude, we got plenty of hotels out here.
Well, I want to
Plenty. Choose whatever you want.
They give you like a 10% discount to a fucking Motel 6.
I mean, you don't have to use that. You can use something else.
Yeah.
You can use something else. You don't have to use them.
Oh, hell yeah.
Right?
This is awesome.
Watch your head, low ceiling.
This is awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
Good. Watch your toes.
Arrived at 2047. Affirmative.
This is now,
No problem, young man.
You only work at the airport or like how?
I'm at the airport.
Like it?
Yes, I do.
I heard ATL out in serious hood.
I don't know about that.
Hey, we're in Atlanta right here.
3703 to radio.
3703.
Show me a route to the hotel shuttles with 1 mile, start mileage 84285.
your chance to qualify for a Disney cruise with Paul. Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. All you have to do is listen weekdays at 5 p.m. from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. to hear the song of the hour and the tickets that are up for grabs. Whenever you hear the song of the hour, you can cover 17 or 404-741-1075 with the tickets and qualify for the grand prize draw. A cruise for four. Disney Cruise. Grand prize drawing happens August 9th at 10:30 a.m. Maria Mall. For more details, visit us up at Magic ATL on social media. Returning at 11 on TV One. I'm saying as many times as it takes to get to watch
location, or what do you want me to get on the phone?
It's summer, and right now
The car is small, but the female should still be there.
But these days, we can't find the time to share a bite.
You're in my wedding party, but we rescheduled a single dinner 14 times. It shouldn't make this hard to get fajitas together. It just shouldn't.
Now is the time to catch up. From July 1st through August 15th,
Proceed with 1912 and
MasterCard Best Restaurant, up to a maximum of $4 million. Plus, earn 2 times thank you points on time out, making your meal that much more rewarding. So make some time to start something priceless. Promotion ends on August 15th, 2019, when maximum $4 million donation is reached, whichever comes first. Eligible. Stand Up to Cancer is a division of the entertainment industry. See MasterCard.
person on Garnett should still be there. A male name by the name is Garnett. Correction, Garnett with a D.
To the hotel shuttles. You could choose any other hotel you want.
What was in the back?
What's your price range?
Price range?
Yeah.
$500.
Oh man, we got 5-star hotels around here, man. Okay, you could catch the shuttle to it.
Yeah, whatever. The nicest one.
Okay.
I'm sleeping in that Motel 6 shit.
Okay, I understand. Whatever you want. You know what I'm saying?
The nicest.
You can choose. We got the Ritz Carlton. We got all that stuff. With the Ritz Carlton, you got that.
Yo. I'm in the car. Here's the shuttle here?
Yep, right over there.
Like this one?
Yep, right over there.
I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, my raspy voice sounds
Ready for the platform.
It's over now. Like, I'm out of the exit now. I need a photo.
All right.
Thanks.
No problem, sir. Make sure you get all your belongings.
So where is it?
Right there.
Okay.
See right there with those shuttles?
Yeah.
That's it. Got all your belongings,
Yeah.
young man?
Correct. Oh, hold on. Steam.
3703 to radio. Ending mileage is 84288.